Here's some zero coupon bonds trivia. Subscribe. Which financial term refers to the difference between purchase price and face value? Is it A, discount, B, premium, C, markup, or D, yield? The correct answer is A, discount. Who typically issues zero coupon bonds? Is it A, individuals, B, banks, C, nonprofits, or D, corporations or governments? The correct answer is D, corporations or governments. Which rating affects the price of zero coupon bonds? Is it A, liquidity risk, B, economic growth, C, credit rating, or D, tax rate? The correct answer is C, credit rating. What formula is used to calculate the price of a zero coupon bond? Is it A, interest rate formula, B, present value formula, C, compound interest equation, or D, future value formula? The correct answer is B, present value formula. What type of investors may prefer zero coupon bonds? Is it A, speculative traders, B, income-seeking retirees, C, long-term investors, or D, day traders? The correct answer is C, long-term investors. What financial statement shows a zero coupon bonds liability? Is it A, statement of equity, B, cash flow statement, C, income statement, or D, balance sheet? The correct answer is D, balance sheet. Which performance metric might investors track for zero coupon bonds? Is it A, current yield, B, total return, C, investment horizon, or D, credit rating? The correct answer is B, total return. Which organization may provide guidelines on zero coupon bond taxation? Is it A, IRS, B, NAIC, C, FBI, or D, CFPB? The correct answer is IRS. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.